it's really giving it, it's giving it some now, but take a look at that. Well, today, I promise you, not longer than 2 days ago, I was on a sunny beach in Thailand. Now, well, you get the point. I don't want to have it any other way. What better place to perform than Mikewalkr area? And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get some nice leading lines from the storm that's leading us to the mountain. Now the actual weather's not great. There might be a little bit of a break in the clouds a little bit later on today. It's got some really stormy conditions, which is pretty cool. Now let me just show you what I'm trying to do. I haven't got my camera set up at the moment. I don't know whether you can hear me or not. I haven't got my camera set up at the moment because I'm just trying to search for a composition. But I'm just trying to show you guys what exactly I'm trying to do. Now, as you can see, as the waves break, it leads down there, down this beach here, down to the mountains beyond. I'm trying to get a composition where the foam is sort of giving me a leading line down towards it, but it's quite challenging because as my camera's here, it's getting covered in salt and all sorts. Okay, so I found a little composition that I like. At the moment I'm using my Sony A7 III with 16-35, and I don't know if you guys can see, is that I'm trying to use the like the sort of sea and the tide leading line in the background. Now, it's incredibly hard because I keep getting covered in sand and sea snot. This sea snot, it's just everywhere. But it makes it quite interesting, quite comical actually at the same time. People are looking at me in the van over there thinking, what a loon, and they'd be quite right if I'm honest. Now the trick is, go on, nice. Now the trick is to try and time it so you've actually got some sort of interesting composition in the foreground, which I'm finding quite hard to do at the moment. At the same time as keeping my lens nice and clean. Oh well, we'll see what we can get. I've got the biggest sea snot, just literally, it's just crashed my photo. The biggest sea snot you've ever seen. It's come right here. It couldn't go anywhere in the beach. No. Right in front of where I want to take photos. So it might get washed away in a minute.
After reviewing this photo on location, I decided that this photo, it wasn't great. It lacks sort of really any sort of good colour. The composition of it, I feel as though the white of the water dominates the scene too much, and I was determined to stay and hope that the light improves towards the end of the day.
So, I'm actually really liking the conditions at the moment. They're actually quite moody and quite stormy. We've got quite nice light off to the right of the image. All above we've got like quite dark, sinister looking storm clouds. There we go, so that's what we've got so far. Which gives me an image, of that really. You can see that, which is quite nice. So again, we're at f8, ISO 100, at 1/200 of a second. I'm shooting just about under 35 millimeters. So this is becoming really challenging. It's actually quite fun actually. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to clean the lens and then actually keep a cover on it until I find the right moment to take a shot, then remove the cover. So I'll show you what I'm doing. So clean the lens like this, obviously like normal. And then when I want to take the shot, I'm using this as a bit of a cover. See that? To the right, and I'm putting pre-focused down the foreground here. So as soon as when the wave comes in, it comes up, I remove the cover, 2-second timer, remove the cover, take the shot, and then what I've ended up with is something like this. But it's really difficult. I find it really challenging because the constant breeze is just playing havoc with the front of my lens. You can see it literally over about 20 seconds before I've got to clean it again. And it just get absolutely battered. But the light is coming really nice. It's coming like really quite moody, quite stormy over there. And I really like the how the light is coming at the moment. It's good. Good. I'm going to stay here for a little longer, I think. So the sky's literally just exploded with light. Have you seen? Wow. So again, I'm just trying to. Oh, I've lost my words. So I'm trying to clean the lens, as you see here, with one hand. Oh my god, this is terrible. So clean the lens here. Right, first things first, let's get to the beginning, right? So I'm focusing down here, right? So I'm focusing here, and I'll put that on manual. So it's on manual now. I'm going to clean the lens. Cleaning the lens. Okay, now put my little makeshift cover on. This is like, I feel like... I don't know what I feel like. I feel like so chaotic. Right, and now when it's ready, I'm like, that's like a bullfight, that's what I'm gonna say. I feel like a bullfight. And then when you're ready, okay, wait for the wave to come in a little bit better than that. Come on, with the lights. Come on, the light is so good. I don't want to lose the light. Here we go. This looks like this could be a winner. This one could be a winner. No, it's not a winner. Come on, these guys look like mean business. Right, come on. Right, this is coming up. Yes, the one. Right, okay, up we go. Olé! There we go. Right, now I'm focusing sort of in the middle of the image. Right, okay. Okay, now I'm focusing on the back of the image. If I can't find the focus that one. I'll find the focus that time. And now because it's super bright, I'm gonna try and do a luminous blending when I'm back home. I've gone for a higher shutter speed just to bring down them highlights. Yeah, so looking at histogram, looks pretty good. We'll see how that turns out. Right, so I've taken a few shots and I don't know whether the light's going to stay as well or it's going to go, or I'm going to get absolutely pelted with rain. I'm not too sure. But I've taken a few shots now, so put them on the screen. It's really good. And you know, kind of waiting a little bit longer, but getting a little bit cold. I'm worried it's going to absolutely tip it down in a minute or two. Them storm clouds look mean. They look mean. Just really waiting for the sun in between that little gap there. Because that we're in business. I mean, it looks pretty epic now, to be honest with you. Just get a little bit better, I think. Okay, just to add insult to injury, my predictions were correct. I'm starting to get battered by the rain now. Not only are we getting soggy sea snot coming at me, I've got rain coming from above, but the sun is so good. I don't want to leave quite yet. I'm not leaving yet. I'm going to get wet if that's what it takes, because I feel like the sun's just about to dip through that little any second. Oh, it's really giving it now. It's giving it some now, but take a look at that. It's incredible lights across the mountains over there. I just cannot take a shot because it just keeps getting wet. Well, we're persistent, I'm trying. With tripods all over the place, with cameras all over the place. And apologies for how frantic this is. It's just so oh, I've lost my little rag. I've lost my little red rag. Come on, it's all happening. Right guys, this has been absolutely chaotic, I mean, it's still absolutely amazing. But cannot take my rag off the lens for 2 seconds when it gets covered in water. So I have no idea really the shots I've got. Just try to take as many, try and clean it, take the shot. So it's been frantic, it's been difficult. The light is just going now. We've got about 5 minutes there where it was just like beaming in the sun, and the rain that was just coming across the mountains in the background just looked absolutely stunning. I was actually quite tough to break out my more compressed down there, but I just thought, what's the point? It's just raining. Well, the rain's still subsided slightly for now, but it's just been chaotic. Absolutely chaotic. But I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that somewhere on that mountain is a decent image. If not, then well, the joke's on me, isn't it? These feet are wet, my nose is wet. This is day one back in the UK, by the way, and I've already got soggy cold feet. But it's been worth it. It's been a challenge. It's been fun. So apologies for the frantic video. It's just been that hard to do everything all at once. Here we go again. There we go. My feet. Oh no, no, thank you. I don't think there's going to be any more good light, but famous last words. You turn around, you pack your gear in the car, you drive away, and then boom, there's like a big explosion of light in the sky. So I'm just tempted to wait. What time is it now? I'm doing that. I'm not even gonna watch on. I'm not even gonna watch on. Right, what time is it? 5:30. Right, so it's sunset is like now. So I'm tempted another 20 minutes. See if there's any, you know, any of the clouds pick up some of the light. Got some nice light over here, some nice soft light. And you know, now the sun's gone away, obviously the rain stopped. Great, nice one. Cheers. Right, so let's just hang around for another 10-15 minutes and then see if anything happens.
After waiting around for 20 minutes or so, the light faded and the clouds rolled in. The frantic 5 or 10 minutes we did have probably ended up with my favourite image of the evening. The stormy rain clouds combined with the dying light of the evening probably ended up with my favourite image this year so far.